And we are ready and back with another session dedicated to one of my favorite topics, coffee. To be more precise, we will be talking about coffee packaging. One of IMA's solutions in terms of coffee packaging is called Unika. It's a brand new machine for capsule filling. To learn more about this great machine, we will connect now with IMA Coffee, with an IMA Coffee production plant near Lecco, Italy, where Giacomo Spreafico, area sales manager at IMA Coffee, is waiting for us. Good afternoon, Giacomo.
Good afternoon, Pietro. Thank you very much, and thanks to all the people for being connected with us. So it's my pleasure now to introduce you this Unika 10 capsule filling machine dedicated for aluminum capsule. We are able to reach the speed up to 600 capsules per minute. So let's start from the beginning, where I will show you our feeding system. It's an automatic feeding system. As you can see, we have a robot that is able to pick the stacked capsule from the box, because the box of the aluminum capsule are provided stacked. And as you can see, is loading the pile till that upper conveyor. After that, the capsules are driven here, are driven into this destacking unit, where we destacked the capsule into the machine belt. As you can see from the yellow lights, we have the photocells for controlling the presence of the empty capsules. So now let's move to the heart of the machine, where we have the dosing unit. But before to speak about it, I would like to say something about the nitrogen tunnel, because it's so important for the barrier capsule and not just for the aluminum capsule. So where you see the yellow tubes is where we start to flush the nitrogen, starting from the dosing unit till the sealing station. So after this process, we are able to guarantee that the level of the oxygen inside of the capsule is less than 1%. Very important for our customers. And then I have to speak about this amazing dosing unit that, as I said before, is the heart of the machine, and is commanded by 10 hoggers, commanded by brushless motors. And we have, as you can see, not just one dosing unit, but 5 dosing units, because we want to maintain always stable the level of the coffee inside of each of them. We can maintain the tolerance between 0.2 grams of coffee. After that, we move to the weighing system, where we weigh 100% the capsule. And if the capsule is not in tolerance, we reject just one capsule, so just the single capsule. And then we have, of course, the pressing and cleaning station, where we press the coffee inside of the capsule, and then we clean the capsule flange if we have a residual coffee around the surface of the capsule, for preparing it for the sealing station. So let's now move in the sealing area. And here, before to start to discuss about the sealing station, I would like to say something about the anti-healing that is not used to have it. It's not used to have it on a capsule filling machine, because usually we use it on our capsule preparation or assembly machine for preparing the empty capsule. And it's very important for us to have been integrated on this Unika 10, because we want to have always aligned the film, the web, under the sealing station, for having always it in center, any position. And after that, we have, of course, the cutting and sealing station, where we cut and seal the top lid. Then, another important and fundamental station is we call it additional or extra steady station, that we have it dedicated for the aluminum capsule, for having a proper sealing. As you can see, in this case, we don't have the knives, so no knives, but just the sealers. And we guarantee any micro leakages. I would like also to say that this important additional sealing station, we have it not just on our Unika 10, but in all of our capsule filling machine. So starting from the smaller one, the 70 capsules per minute, till Unika 10. So it's very important, it's fundamental, and we have it on our capsule filling machine. After that, we move to the end of the machine, where we have the outfit pick and place, where we pick not just 10, but 20 capsules per cycle. We turn them, and the capsule are ready for going on IMA's cartoning 577 that my colleague Alessandro Nobili will introduce you later. Thank you, Pietro.
Giacomo, you said that the Unika is dedicated to Nespresso-compatible aluminum capsules. But in previous sessions, we have learned that Nespresso-compatible capsules are also made with other materials like compostables or plastic. Is Unika also capable to handle these materials?
Yes, of course, of course. Unika is able to handle any types of capsule and materials, and even more with a change format. If the customer would like to handle all of them, we are able with a very fast and easy change format to handle all of these type of capsules. So the answer is yes, but even more, we have a change format for handle all of them.
Okay. What makes Unika better than its competitors?
Yeah, okay. I mean, Unika has a lot of benefits comparing to our competitors. One of it is for sure the accessibility, because the operator can work on the both sides of the machine, as is an important plus, and it can intervene very easily. But the main and the most important benefit is that we have all the working station independent, and they are commanded, controlled by brushless motors. And even more, the operator from the HMI panel can adjust every single station electronically. So this is an important, huge plus.
Okay. Your colleague Nicola Panzani said that Unika is a mix of IMA's best packaging technologies. Can you tell us which parts of which machines have been integrated into Unika?
Yes, of course, very nice question, even it's a little bit top secret, but for sure we have been integrated, as explained before, this dosing system from GMAS 595, the capsule filling machine that everyone knows how is precise. And after that, also, I would like to say that IMA shared with Unika the technology of the HMI panel, and it's so important for us when we supply the complete line, so filler and cartoning, because the operator is going to have the same interactive and intuitive HMI panel. So also this one is an important benefit.
Giacomo, I know that there is a robot who's loading the aluminum capsule. Can this robot also load plastic or compostables? And if not, which technologies are you using to load those alternative capsules?
Yeah, okay. I mean, this kind of robot is not able to handle the other types of Nespresso compatible capsules, but just the aluminum capsules. Why? Because the distance gap between the aluminum capsule is very small, so we can handle them. The other types of capsule, the distance gap is too long, and they're not stable for picking them up. But for sure, with a traditional feeding system, as a scrambler or sorter, we can handle all of them, of course.
Giacomo, can we expect in the future an even faster version of Unika, maybe with 12 or 14 lanes?
Yes, of course. As you know, and as you can see from this amazing virtual event, IMA never stops with innovation. That's why on this Unika concept, we have been already developing a faster machine for reaching the speed up to 1,200 capsules per minute. So the answer is yes.
Okay. Some parts inside the Unika are quite big and quite heavy. How can operators easily remove them for cleaning and maintenance operations?
Yeah, that's right. We have very massive stations, but we have implemented a very easy system for taking off them. And now I would like that my technician Federico will show you how we can take off all the stations. So Federico, can you show to them how can we take off the station? So maybe we can show the sealing station to taking off. And as you can see, we can unlock them just pressing a button without any tools. So this is very important for the operators. Now you are seeing that we unlock the station, and we can taking off, and it's immediately ready for cleaning and maintenance. So I repeat, without any tools. So the operator has just to press a button. Okay, so now Pietro, I would like to show the machine running, and so now let's give to Federico time to prepare 5 seconds the machine, and then I would like that our customers enjoy the Unika 10 running.
Or your potential customers.
Exactly.
Would you describe what we will see section by section?
Of course. So, as I said before, we have an automatic filling system where the capsule are loading, and then the capsule, as I said before, are destacked into the machine belt, where you see the dosing, the movement of the dosing unit is where we dose the coffee inside of the capsule. And then we have, as I said before, the cleaning station and the pressing unit. So I think that, okay, Pietro, I mean, we saw the Unika 10, the 10 running.
Okay.
And,
well then, thank you very much, Giacomo Spreafico, for presenting us the impressive brand new Unika. And as we've been talking about coffee right now, I really do fancy one, so we take a couple of minutes of break, and I see you afterwards.